I'm Joseph from MakeBestChoice.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another review. Today we are going to review Omni. Now what is Omni? Omni is a done-for-you affiliate funnel with built-in products and traffic which you can generate in just under 60 seconds. You just need to click a few buttons and the funnel will be ready, and then you can generate traffic, built-in traffic using the built-in traffic methods and start making money instantly. It's a done-for-you solution in one word, and you don't need any domain, any hosting, any plugins. You don't have to be tech savvy, no experience required, and no coding knowledge required. You just need to sit back and earn the commissions after you have set it up. Being an affiliate marketer myself, I find it a really very useful plugin because you just need to set it up and forget it. If that interests you, please stay on. I'm going to dive into the demo right now, walk you through the whole software, how it is done, and then I'll show you the bonuses I have for offer. After that, the pros and cons of the software, and finally the conclusion. Of course, I will also show the pricing that are there. It comes at a very nominal cost. Well, before I go to the demo, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell icon because every time I post in new updates, you will be notified. Well, now let's dive into the demo. Well, here I am logged into the dashboard of the software. You can see it is pretty simple. The menu options are over here. There is the support option. You have the tutorials, the video tutorials, and the support desk if you want to raise a ticket through the support desk for any reason. The tutorials, if you click on it, you will get the video tutorials that are there. There's a knowledge base also over here, taking some time to load the video pages. Here are the video tutorials. So let's get back into action to the dashboard. To start, you need to create a campaign. Let us click on by clicking on this create campaign button. Give it a name. Let me give it a name test02 create. You have two options. One is to build a landing page or a thank you page. So first we need to build the funnel, the landing page, then the thank you page, and then it goes to your affiliate offer or wherever you want to take them. So building the funnel, we first create a landing page. Here are the templates. There are 15 or 16 of them, I believe, in the front end version. So you can choose any one of them. For demo sake, let me choose this one. You can view it before choosing, and you can select it by clicking on this hand icon. So this is the landing page where your customers will come. This is fully customizable. You can click here and you can change the logo. You can select it from Pixabay if you want. So let's choose this. This is quite okay. So let this be the logo. You can fully customize this. Suppose you want 30% discount. Instead of apply the changes, you need to give your store name over here. You can completely customize this image also, your own image, or you can download from Pixabay or any other source, or you can upload also. The upload option is there. The full page design is over here. Now going ahead with the other settings, this is the autoresponder setting. You need to now there is another setting in the settings option over here, will come later. So first you have to set your autoresponder. All the standard autoresponders are there, Aweber, GetResponse, etc, etc. Either you can select the API key, or you can select the HTML code or the JavaScript code, whatever form you have. So you can copy paste it. So any one option you select, autoresponder you select. For us, the demo sake, let us select Aweber, and suppose let us select this list ID. Since it is connected, it will show you the list ID and apply the changes. Next is the tracking code. Tracking code, here you have to give the Google Analytics code for tracking the tracking page, and the every Facebook pixel which you need to give over here. These are the event tracking pixels. So you need to populate this. You have the SEO options. You have the page title, the metadata descriptions, and the metadata keywords. The thank you page. Now there are two options in the thank you page. One is a successful submission, and the second one is the failed submission. Now successful submission will, you have to give the redirect URL over here, redirect link, where it will go. Generally it goes to the thank you page. If not the thank you page, then if you want to directly take them to your offer, you can do so. You give the link, and suppose for this demo sake, let me put it, so let this be your link. You want the redirection to happen in the same window or a different window. Generally we choose the same window. You come to the form controls. Here, this form that is there, you can control the settings. Instead of submit, you can say type sign in. Suppose the name and email, you can name it as you like, and then you need to save this. It's taking some time. Okay, now it's saved. Let us view our page by going to the dashboard. So here in the dashboard, we can see that test2 campaign has been saved. You can preview the campaign over here. You can clone the campaign, you can delete the campaign, or you can edit the campaign. Let's preview the campaign. So it says at this time the preview is not available. Okay, very good. The next step is to create the thank you page. You must remember that you need to publish this page in order to make it live. Now in the demo version, I don't think the publish option has been activated. So you can see over here that for security purposes, they have saved all the campaigns as draft status. They have not allowed it to be published. Only one active campaign. So for demo purpose, I'm showing you this. I have provided the full demo over here in this bonus page. You can come here and watch the full demo. I have provided it. This is the full demo of how to publish it. So click on generate ads. Now what this will do is this will help you create Bing ads for this campaign. Now you need to just enter the keyword. Suppose in our case it is make money online. Make sure that you don't make any spelling mistake. This is the main keyword. You can add many more keywords over here, like make money. Then you can generate make money online fast. Then make money online. Then business opportunity, and generate ads. Now see, it has generated ads. These are Bing ads. It has generated based on the basis of the keywords that you have provided. You can download these ads in Excel, fully downloadable. You can copy the heading and copy paste it into your Bing ads, and it's ready to go. So it has generated, you have given 3 keywords, it has generated 3 ads over here. Now this is the heading, should be this one. This is the URL of the page. Of course we could not publish the page because of limitations in the demo version, but only one page could be published. I'm showing you that the URL of that page. When you buy the software, after it is online, the page that you have developed, that we developed, the page that would be shown, and that is the link of, or the URL of that page would be shown here. So copy and you paste it over here. So this is the page. You have to give this in your Bing ads. This is the description that you have to give, and it just generates the ads for you. So you just need to get this ad and publish them or in your Bing ads. So this is as simple as that. Now next is you need to develop your thank you page. Now I will not go into that detail of developing the thank you page, because it's the same process. So you develop the thank you page and you give the URL or the connecting URL to your offer. You can find the detailed demo in my bonus page over here. You can go through it. Next you have to do some settings over here. As I was saying, the Aweber or any other autoresponder which you have, you can select over here, and you need to give the corresponding API keys to connect. It's so simple. The policy, privacy policy and terms of content, you need to select your campaign over here. The campaign that we test to, you need to select that, and it will auto generate the privacy contents, and you need to just save them. It's as simple as that. It will show you all the statistics of the pages over here, the views, how many views your pages have got, the average time taken, the unique number of unique visitors. There can be same visitor visiting many times, but the unique visitors shows you how many people it has reached. The leads means how many have registered for your site, given their email addresses, and the referrals. You can always share this in your social network platforms, and it is pretty easy. You can just have to click on these LinkedIn or Facebook icon, and it will be linked. So basically these are the options that you'll get. Now let me show you the bonuses I have for offer. Now let me tell you that if you like the software and want to purchase the software, you need to click one of these green buttons. This will take you to the sales page of the software, where you need to click the buy now button or purchase button, and that will take you to the purchase page where you need to pay for the software. And receipt, when you get the Warrior Plus receipt, you will get the receipt like this. Let me show you. You can always come to this page. The link to this page is given in the video description below. So in the Warrior Plus, when you after you purchase, you will get this blue. When you go to the receipt page, you will get this blue button. When you click these buttons, you will get all these bonuses that I have for offer. Now my bonuses. Bonus number 1 is access to the Lead Fusion software. Now this is a full-fledged software, rather it is a plugin for your WordPress site, and what it does, it converts your website to a money-making machine by adding beautiful landing pages, thank you pages, and other pop-ups, alerts, offers that are there, so that the visitors that visit your website turn into leads. Now this is a very, very good software. I have used it, and so I can tell you that this is a very, very handy plugin that will help your website to gain attention. That is worth $427.95. My second bonus is a tutorial on how to generate 10K views on YouTube. Now these, let me tell you that these bonuses have been handpicked so that you can maximize your profit using Omni. These bonuses go hand in hand, and they are designed so that you can get maximum benefit from Omni. The YouTube hack will help you reach 10K views. That will give your channel and your videos the monetization offer, the channel authority, but will help your videos to gain popularity. My third bonus is the Google AdSense hack. How to maximize your AdSense CTR. It comes at a value of $344.95. Now what is CTR? CTR is the click-through rate. What do you mean by that? Those people who are not aware of these terms, marketing terms, the click-through rate gives you a percentage ratio of how many people have clicked your link, opposite to how many people have been displayed your website. Generally it is derived from ads that are shown, the website ads that you show. It is derived from there, whether you the click-through rates in Google ads, in Facebook ads, in Bing ads, etc. So the higher the click-through rates, of course the better, and the better chances of converting the visitors into leads. So this is a terrific tutorial on how to maximize your click-through rate in AdSense through Google Ads. The fourth bonus is the hack of mail list gold rush. Now what is this? This is a beautiful tutorial which gives you a full picture of how to develop and nurture your email list, because ultimately money is in the list and it is gold. The more whenever you create a product or you are promoting a product, you can always promote that product to this list, and these are active buyers who have trusted you, and they can be your prospective buyers. So you have got a separate database that is your own. It is like an asset. So I believe this tutorial you would not want to miss, and it really helps with Omni, because Omni is, as you've seen, is a funnel, and ultimately how you nurture that funnel, you get that lead, and ultimately you should not lose it, right? So this particular hack will tell you how to retain them and get the maximum out of them. My fifth bonus is actually there are a bunch of bonuses from the vendor, but you can choose only two. I will show you the bonuses. These are semi-exclusive bonuses. Remember that you can pick any two, and if you need to access them, you need to mail them at this email address, of course after your purchase, with your purchase receipt, or else you can contact me. I can and give me your purchase receipt. I can help you in getting the bonuses. But once you have purchased, you need to you can avail these bonuses. Now these are another pack of beautiful bonuses. There are 20 bonuses that are there, and you are free to choose any two from here. There are some beautiful traffic bonuses that will help you get traffic. There is this eCompare software that is there, which is a software access that you will get. Of course, you need to connect to them after purchase. And what this does, it compares all the similar products in different shopping platforms, Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, and it does a comparison of prices. And what your customers get is the best price. And you being an affiliate, you are in always win-win situation with whether your customer or visitor buys through eBay or through Amazon or through Flipkart, you will always gain. So I found this will be a very, very useful software. There are some beautiful software also. You can visit this site. It will be there once you and you can check the bonuses over here. Okay, now moving on to the pricing of the upsells and pricing of the software. Let me show you. I'll run through it very fast. You can always come here and see. The front end comes at a very nominal price of $17, and as you have seen that there are some limitations in the front end. The upsell number 1, that is Omni Pro, comes at a price of $39, and this is the unlimited edition. As you can see, you can create up to 100 campaigns, unlimited HTML campaigns, 15 landing pages, generate up to 100 ads, etc, etc. So Omni Pro is the unlimited version. The second upsell is the Omni Done For You. Now they have beta tested this software, and they have found certain done for you campaigns which are viral and giving you assured profits. So that they have included over here, some from their experiences before, and it is all includes some viral done for you funnels. It is a click button. You don't have to do anything. You just have to import that and run it, and the cash is yours. The upsell number 3 is the Omni Automation, which comes at a price of $39. Users can create automated pages and funnels, put brand name, create up to 300 campaigns. So in the upsell 1, you could create up to 100 campaigns. Here you could create up to 300 campaigns, 15 category landing pages, etc. So there are some WordPress publishings. Upsell number 4 is the Omni Partner Program. So this is practically the reseller package, which comes at a price of $47 with unlimited sales. Upsell 5 is the Omni 1K per week system, which comes at a price of $127, and it is a 1K week video tutorial with done for you products and includes 7 products. So it has got some 7 products, proven products, which and with it the video tutorials that come and they teach you how to promote those products. And this is also a good option. Upsell number 6 is the Omni white label license, where you can practically own the product and resell it at your own value, and with the profit being yours. According to me, the front end and upsell number 1, that is the unlimited version, is what you need to test the software, to see whether it's working for you or not, and if it is working for you, you can always go for the other upgrades. But I believe you will not need it, because the bonuses that I'm giving are all in all. These bonuses along with this software is enough for you with the front version. But I'm still keeping an option of upsell number 1, since you need to since there is a 30-day money back guarantee, and you can always check the software with its full version, with its unlimited version, whether it works for you or not. Now there are some the pros and cons of the software. According to me, it is this software has been designed for marketers, and marketers can take full advantage of it. With the 30-day money back guarantee, you can really test it whether it works for you, your niche, your category. It is totally coding free, hosting free, no tech knowledge required. You can work from anywhere on the clouds. It has got very good trainings are very good. That's what I liked it very much, and it's completely newbie friendly. And with the traffic built in, that is something new that is given in this software. So you have campaigns, you saw the campaigns can be designed from within the software, so it is automated. That is a very good option, I felt. Regarding the cons, the features of the front end are very less, or rather all the good features are blocked in the upsells. That's what I felt, that it is lacking in the software. And I am not aware of the support that is comes with the software, so that is something yet to be seen. I don't place it as a con, but it is yet to be seen. Coming to the conclusion, according to me, I believe this is really a must-have for all marketers, especially those who are struggling with the making landing pages and attractive designs. So this gives you a very done for you sort of option to go ahead and check it within 60 seconds. You are through ready with the ads, ready with the full campaign, full funnel. You can always check it and to see whether this applies for you and whether you can whether it benefits you or not. With the 30-day money back guarantee, you are at a no risk zone. Well, that's it for today. I hope you like this review. If you like the software, please click on the link given in the video description below, which will bring you to this bonuses page, which is my bonuses page. Remember, after you come to this page, you need to click on this green buttons, one of these green buttons, so that you may take into the sales page. There you have to click the purchase button. To go to the purchase page, you have to fill in your details and purchase, and then you will go to your Warrior Plus account receipt, where you will find the blue button which I showed you previously, this blue button, and you click on this blue button to claim your bonuses. If you do not click these green buttons, you will not get my bonuses, let me tell you that. Well, that's it. We come to the end of the review. If you like this review, then do share this review among your social network. Please like, share and comment. Your feedback is important to us. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash the bell icon so that next time when I come with a new review, you may be well informed. So bye for now, take care, be safe.